Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
It's 5:30 in the morning. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's my first day of work. I'm about to take my shower. I'm up before the sun is up. But I'm about to take my shower. And I'm like, oh, let me show you how the soap I'm using. I've been using this soap here. I got it for Christmas. Like my aunt gave it to me. It smells so good. I'm about to wash up and get my day started. I'll see y'all when I have some clothes on and stuff. Okay, so I'm in my room. I've showered. I'm moisturized, as y'all can see. About to eat some oatmeal. And yeah, it's 6 o'clock. I have to be to work at 8. I'm gonna eat right now, drink me some water, let my food digest, put my clothes on and stuff. Yeah, your girl is ready to go. Yeah, that's it, that's all. I got everything packed in my work bag. Let's go. Let me eat my food and yeah, stop running around. Okay guys, I'm at work. I have been doing stuff all morning, so I didn't get to film when I first got here because I had to get my login, my ID, all of those things. But I'm at work, I'm at my desk. I can't show too much, but it's going good. Okay, I'm watching the cameras and stuff and making sure. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. This is my work. Your girl is a working girl, a working woman. So I am gainfully employed. That's what I'm doing. My work. I'm at my desk. I'm at my desk. So yeah, there's no service at my job, like whatsoever. But I'm at work. This is my OOTD. Go watch my TikTok so you guys can see like the whole thing. But yeah, this is my OOTD. Pink, black, and some tan pants. My shirt is tucked in. That's what's on the feet. But yeah, my OOTD, y'all. But I'm relaxing at my desk. I will talk to you guys later. Let me get off this camera before I get in trouble. Bye. Okay, y'all. It's the end of my first day. My hair look a little separated, but it's the end of my first day. I literally did nothing, so there was nothing to vlog. Literally, like I did nothing. I just answered phones, sent us a couple of emails, but it was like, is that even footage worthy? And then also I didn't want to give up too much information, so I couldn't vlog anyway, certain things. But yeah, that's it. That's all. My job is boring. I was so bored. I sat on my ass all day, literally sat on my ass all day. So yeah, that's it. That's all, guys. My day's over. It's 4:02. It's over. But yeah, let me show you my outfit. This is the outfit. Black top from Target. Pants. These are from Future Collective, which is also at Target. Black belt. Shein top. That's it. That's all. So yeah, that is my little day, guys. My second day. I'm locked out of my computer, so I hope nobody sends me emails. I'm watching the cameras. I need her. I need her to log me in. Okay, so I got my login to my computer. I figured it out. I'm about to eat fruit. Reading a book. Okay guys, so it is day 3 of my new job, and as y'all can see, I'm in my bed, and that's because I quit.
Huh?
So I'm gonna do a story time on why I quit. Maybe, because as y'all can see, I'm fickle. But I quit. It's so funny because I was vlogging yesterday and I was like, I don't think I'm gonna be doing many vlogs here. It's nothing to do. And they saw me on a camera. It's like, there's a camera in the office, and I was vlogging during like my lunch, like as I was eating. And then the lady that was supposed to be onboarding me, she's another secretary, she actually was out. Like, I came Monday, she was supposed to onboard me, and then she took off Tuesday. So I was just there by myself, answering the phones, doing all the secretary work. I had another lady that was in there, but she does absence. I was working in a school. Like, she does attendance, so she's really not a secretary, and she can help me if she wants to. She was being nice, but that's not really her job. So it really was up to me. When those phones was ringing, it was me to answer the phone. So the lady was supposed to onboard me. She literally was there Monday, which is the day I started, and then Tuesday she took off. And then she was planning on taking off all next week. So it was just like, they got me in there and was thinking like, oh, okay, like, we just gonna kind of depend on her. Wrong. Negative. I quit. So I quit. I wasn't too excited about that job. I did talk about that in my job announcement video. I was not too excited about this job anyway, and it was a receptionist job. It was a secretary job. So no love lost. Like, I don't care. But yeah, I quit. So I'm about to go run errands, and I'm gonna vlog that. But yeah, I quit. And they had saw me on the camera vlogging, and a girl caught me and she was like, were you vlogging? Because IT caught me and said they saw you on the cameras with a camera. I was like, oh yeah, I was vlogging during my 30 minutes, like my break. And I already didn't like the job, but now y'all making a fuss on me vlogging for a couple of minutes during my break, which I thought they like, oh yeah, because you know we have confidential information. And I was like, yeah, did y'all see me vlog the computers, anything, or the security cameras? No. So I guess they like, what you thought I was gonna take like the students' information? No, I don't care about that. And I was vlogging during my 30 minutes. Like, I was literally eating. Like, when I in the vlog, you're gonna see me being like, oh, I'm eating, and that's that. And even while I was eating, the phone is ringing, emails are coming in, parents is coming in to ask about like, when's orientation, when's this? And I'm the only secretary, so guess what? I gotta do it. There's no break room for us to eat in, so you have to eat in the office. So yeah, I definitely was. I was still eating, working, and I had a couple of minutes to vlog to myself, literally. And they seen it and it was like, oh, because she was vlogging. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm sorry, like, it won't happen again. And I knew it wasn't happening again because your girl was quitting. I knew then, like, I'm quitting. For the simple fact that you literally supposed to be onboarding me and you left. You left everything up to me. And literally the first day I was there, the lady who hired me, she left at like 12. My hours from 8 to 4. She left at 12. And she was like, oh, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow, which was Tuesday, right? That was Monday, she said that. And then the other secretary lady was like, oh, I'm not gonna be here either. And the lady gonna say, oh, Daisy's got it.
Not on my watch. Not on my watch.
On my first day. Like, basically, like, they just kind of thought they was banking on me, like, oh, we just gonna work her to death. I quit. Have a good day. So yeah, your girl is now unemployed, thankfully, because that wasn't gonna work out. Y'all wasn't about to just work me to death. I barely trained, and I had to catch on quick. But yeah, your girl quit. Oh well, I don't care. I quit. Your girl quit. And yeah, this time in this vlog. And I will see y'all in my next vlog. Bye.